Blackhead removal. Clear skin transformation. Clear skin is something everyone wants, and blackhead removal is an important step toward achieving it. In today's video, we are performing a blackhead removal treatment combined with a deep cleansing facial. This process helps clean the pores and improve the overall appearance of the skin. What causes blackheads? Blackheads are caused by clogged pores filled with oil and dead skin cells. When these pores remain open, the material inside oxidizes and turns dark. This leads to the formation of blackheads. Deep cleansing process. The treatment begins with cleansing the skin. Steam is applied to open the pores and soften the buildup. This step prepares the skin for extraction. Blackhead extraction. Using professional tools, blackheads are removed carefully. Each extraction is done gently to avoid damaging the skin. This process improves skin texture and clarity. Skin recovery. After extraction, soothing and hydrating products are applied. These help calm the skin and restore moisture. Final transformation. The final results show cleaner pores and smoother skin. Regular treatments can help maintain clear skin.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.